We'd like to remind the institution of GECOM that we remain resolute in our belief that the biometrics are very important and very key to the electoral process moving forward. Secondly, we would like to remind everyone of the figures concerning our population. First of all, the population as of June 2025 of the Guyanese public stands at 835,900 plus members of the public, and our electoral voters list stands at 738,000 plus as of March 2025, a difference of less than 98,000 of the population under voting age. In addition, we'd like to bring attention to the amount of our school populations. First, it has been reported that as of 2025, the population of children enrolled in secondary schools stands at 180,000. Enrolled in primary schools stands at 94,000, and this does not include private schools, dropouts, nursery schools, and preschool babies and toddlers. Hence, the 98,000 figure of the population under 18 does not make sense. We'd like to say that we also recognize a conflict of interest with the Attorney General standing as a legal advisor to GECOM. And lastly, we would like to remind GECOM that the firing of legal advisor Mr. Kurt De Silva with no replacement is absolutely despicable and unacceptable at this stage of our electoral process.